We developed this product to test carbon monoxide alarms because when you press the test button on a carbon monoxide alarm, it doesn't actually test the sensor, it only tests the battery and the buzzer. A smoke alarm, when you burn a toast on a Sunday morning, you know exactly that it's working. But with a carbon monoxide alarm, you can't generate that level of carbon monoxide to trigger the alarm. So there are millions now of carbon monoxide alarms installed in the UK and of course being installed all over the world. And that's generated an interest for us in the UK, but now we're seeing a growth in interest worldwide, especially in America, where there are over 300 million carbon monoxide alarms installed. In the UK, we have about 30 million CO alarms installed, and we believe that half of those are no longer sensing gas, but when you actually press the test button, they would appear to be working fine. The Detector product is quite cheap to buy and very easy to use and perfectly safe. We say that anybody who can make a cup of tea can use Detectagas to test their CO alarm.